First things first. Pro stands for productivity, and Ford Pro stands for full-on productivity. At Ford Pro, we want to make running commercial vehicles simple. You might call it an end-to-end solution, a one-stop shop, but whatever you call it, Ford Pro offers you vehicles, software, charging, servicing, and financing, all under one roof. And all connected by Ford Pro Intelligence, our very own digital platform. So, forget about solutions where you get vehicles here, finance there, and telematics somewhere else. With Ford Pro, you can finance your vehicles with the same people you buy them from, and manage your fleet with software from the same people who financed it. And those people are us. Here's how it works. Want the right commercial vehicle or conversion, or an entire fleet? There's Ford Pro. Simple, hassle-free vehicle finance. Ford Pro. Smart, data-driven maintenance and management. Yep, you guessed it. And if you're planning to go electric, we can help with that too. Vehicles, charging solutions, the whole lot. And if you want it all, at once, for one vehicle or 1,000, we've got you covered. Introducing Ford Pro. Full-on productivity for your business. Today, tomorrow, and for the future.